my dog ate my homework. And my crack one. By Stanley Noino. Stanley Noino is great, Shelley is a stupid fat face. It's really true. On my way to school today my dog ate my homework. And that's not the worst of it. On my way home, the principal broke my nose and told me if I didn't have the crack sold by noon tomorrow he'd break my asses, too. Do you wanna suck dick for crack for the rest of your life, or do you wanna sell crack for the rest of your life, you miserable delinquent? And for God's sakes, cracker, do your homeworks. But why do you need homeworks so bad? I cried. I didn't meant to. But I was bleeding so badly from head wound that I can't think straight. That's not something you need to know, cracker. My principal grinned down at me coldly, like meat left forgotten in some primordial freezer.
Ow!
I rose up the steps to my apartment all the way to the roof where I lived and or slept sometimes. I thought long and hard as I stared into the pitch negroid sky of night. All my troubles and cares seemed to lift away.
Oh boy!
I waited for a long time to use the men's room at the local MECC, Young Men's Homo-Christian Association, waiting for Y content to deliver the croxers, but he never come. I was in big trouble now, bub.
Well...
Suddenly a blonde-haired, blue-eyed, strapping young Aryan lad approached me. My young flesh puppet, what are you doing here alone with your ectophon? I am waiting for my contact to deal drugs for my principal, I represented earnestly. Ha! He played you on a string like a puppet. The music instrument.
Aha!
So I stole a car and sped home as fast as I could. There was one solution to do. Have you figured it out yet? On the way home I ran over Shelley Plonkenshire, the fattest girl at Gomeria Lakes Elementary School, and the car bounced. I went back to my 6-bedroom penthouse apartment and grabbed my 6-bucket. It was rumble G tumble time, and first I needed to get me a little something. How Bob's been fud kind healthy OIG music and buzzing on webpage. Here was a liable catch. I spent just crack's money on an ornament before in the apartment, and now it was time to pay for fud cup. I went to the Psinshio Paul Florfan and told him to tell Deegbert delivery the rent money or dorp his pant and hula. I knocked on the door to his apartment cordially. Alright motherfuckers, now you get it. I brought out my trusty whirling knives with the fire shots out and DT exploding lard. I want my mommy and I will no longer deal crack for you, Mr. Pernetley. Man, no more homework things either, but he wasn't there. Motherfucker, I be gangsta Holmes. Suddenly there was a room that wasn't there before. I went in the pop-em and I found out the secret that would haunt my life forever. Oh no, I mean oh not, I screamed blood-curdlingly as my deep blue eyes focused discreetly upon the urine-soaked mattress that uncovered a portion of the house of leaves not yet explored. I had built it, yes, but this part was built by necrophiliacs of hags. I'd have you know, get lost, whined Mr. Perettini. I am a elementary school principal. I cannot afford no more money for you. Now where's my cocaine money? Why, this is no room, this is a classroom, I bellowed throatily in a forced whisper. Yes, you see, you will continue your homeworks and even if you don't help me deal the crack I need to enjoy the gangsta living. Mr. Pernetley stared me down, or at least he tried to. My secret plan, he continued, is that the modern American educational system is actually based upon an old Soviet model. You see, unbeknownst to the president, the Illuminati from the center of the earth known as the Sons of Liberty are still fighting the Cold War of the Russian Arctic. We want to create a nation called the USS. The VAR. To spread socialism to our children and brainwash them as capitalist phobes never. I had to the only thing Toto this is sporting bulb who ran over to I shots him with the next sporting line and he turned into atom dust. No more was the crack cocaine ring. I had fought 2 wars and one on every front. I had won the drug war. I had won the Cold War. America was free at last. America was free. At last. The end at last.
Y así, esos simultáneos por linean de tornedinto atom luz. No more was the crack cocaine ring. Y, ad found to wars man one on every front. Y, ad wanted war. Y, ad wanted cold war. America was free at last. America was free. At last. Then at last.